my buddy couldn't come over, so we're just going down the road to the creek. I'm not gonna go in the actual creek, maybe, probably not, because last time we almost lost his bike, my buddy's bike, and that was not good. So I'll catch y'all whenever we get there. See it? I don't know how good y'all can see it, but it's pretty deep right now. Because up there past that bridge line, it's like, I guess, it's not supposed to be, like, it normally don't have this much water. Now I'm actually going to turn around in just a second, because I am not trying to wreck or anything. I'm just going to back off in it. And I already know it's deep. Like, I know where it gets deep at, so I'm just going to take my time, because I'm by myself. And I live down the road, so my dad could come get me if needed, but I'm not trying to get stuck or break anything, so. Plus, I'm still on these ITPs because I'm not running my Outlaws on the road. Most time this is dry and you can just walk on it, so. About to that third sign that says weight limit, that's when it starts getting deep normally, so. I think that is a floating pile of ants. I very much dislike ants, so. I don't like ants at all, to be honest. See, at some point it starts to like go down, so I gotta be careful about that. I'm pretty sure this is where it starts going down at. We're gonna go ahead and put in neutral, put in full drive, because I'm really not trying to sink my bike. This is probably a mile or two down the road, so I'd like to be able to drive my puller back. Okay. We're starting to get somewhere. We're gonna go ahead and pull off the old seat because I know it likes to float and I'm really not trying to get all wet. And I'm gonna try to stay to this side or towards the middle really. So I don't like how bad the back is floating at all. Probably should have put on the Outlaws, but the main problem is these dang tires float so bad. See if I can keep some weight on them. Like I said, it's a downhill, so it has like some like ruts in it that I don't really like. Just trying not to sink my bike. Alright, I got a little wheelie out of it. I'm gonna pull up enough and get out the water. And I'm gonna go ahead and check real quick because I had to seal up this piece right there. So, dang. So we're gonna go and make sure it's still not leaking. Oh, not a drop. Okay. So, I was able to pick it up a little bit. Back in the middle here. So that's like the best place to be, is in the middle. I wouldn't be as nervous if I had like my buddies here, because you know, if something goes south, you got friends to help you pick it up, you know. But right now I don't. Like I said, just oh, come on. Let the back end go back down. Oh, it just hit like a divot, or like a rut. Trying to walk it for you guys, but it's also trying to come up on a hill. Oh crap. Go back down. Thank you. Come on. Retry this. I got like a swamp area I can go to as well that I might try to go to. Okay. This bike will just stop floating as bad as it does with these tires. That probably wouldn't be as bad or as scary, honestly. Oh no, I'm way over. And then it hits that divot right there. That's the problem. It gets down to a divot right there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but see, it hits like a divot and then it lines back out. There's like a rut there. Also trying to stay in the middle. And let me put my foot on the back. We're going to attempt it one more time. I'm walking it a little bit, but you know. Once this water goes back down, I'm gonna go to the actual creek. But right now, no, because it's water's way too hot for that right now. There we go. Get good weight on it. I actually don't float as bad. Also don't help that I don't weigh but 100 pounds or 110, so big old bike, 110-pound kid. Look at that, absolutely walking. Well, that's all she wrote. I'ma come back if I got my buddies to come over with me, and then You know, because then I'll be able to go deeper because I'll have people holding it down. But, catch y'all in the next one. The little swamp area is normally, the area I'm in now is normally like dry. So the fact that it's like, it's holding a good bit of water means that back there where it's deep at is going to be fun. Ooh, that's a big old log. I knew as soon as I got here, because I pull in there, I knew as soon as I got here, man, it was going to be fun. Yeah, but y'all let me know how y'all like the pink. I think it looks amazing. So we come in through there, and we come out through here. Normally this is one of the deepest spots. Ooh, okay. Raw snorkel sounds, man. So, we're gonna back up. I should have took my seat off. Dang it. Well, it's too late now. My bike is starting to smoke a little bit. Hopefully, I'm just gonna ride today, get the clips for the video. Not really ride it to the 21st so I can go hit Zona. Because I would really like to go hit Zona. Because I ain't went and rode in a good minute. Oh, nope. I felt that one coming, honestly. It was leaning to the side. I shouldn't have hit it. I shouldn't have went that fast at least. Now I know I need to back up. Oh no, my rubber ducky. Forgot my little buddy come off. Put him in my pocket right there. Make sure my phone's still good. Yep. Phone's good, we're good. Because if I get crapped out here, then I don't have no way to call nobody. Should really have my waterproof box on my bike, but you know, never do. Except when I go ride. It gets pretty deep out back here, I ain't gonna lie. See, I like this one because I know where the drop-offs are. Because I'm used to it. Normally it's about here deep, back here. So I know where the drop-offs are. So I know where. And then like, it's really flat compared to the old one. Well, to where I was riding just a minute ago. So, okay. I'm gonna try it in second gear next time. See if I pick it up any easier in second gear. Because I got a 60% gear reduction, so, you know. Oh my god, I just hit that branch. That would have been bad if I would have flipped. I was on the wrong side for that. Cut the camera real quick. Okay, quick Snapchat story. Oh wait, I was in first again. Crap. Made a Snapchat and forgot to check forgot to do it in second gear. I'm gonna see if it'll pick up easier if it's in second, you know? We call this area the swamp. We call the other one the creek, because I mean that's just what it is. We call this one the swamp, because that's pretty much what this little area is a swamp. Okay. Oh my god. People, don't stop blowing up my phone, bruh. I don't care. Oh yeah, it picks up way easier in second gear. That's what I'm gonna start doing again. That's my buddy. We're gonna go in between them two trees. Oh wait. Put her in two-wheel drive. Great. I'm gonna put it in four-wheel drive and see if it'll pick up good in four. It picks up pretty good. Alright, we're gonna go, I might go farther back, see what goes on there. I don't know though, kinda nervous, cause I know there's a real bad drop off back there. And I'm not trying to hit right now. You know? Also trying to keep the weight to the back of my bike. Oh crap, my seat. Uh-oh. Okay, hold on, let me fix my seat here, guys. Oh my goodness. Alright. Trying to keep my seat down. Fix my seat real quick. I don't know how we go. I'm gonna back up, back in there, shift to full wheel, or back up in there, shift into two-wheel drive, and see if I can pop it up with two, or in two-wheel drive. Alright. Shifter is where? Oh, right here. Alright. Should be in 2 now. Hey. Hey, bro, we're doing it. Oh, actually. That was actually really good. Holy crap. I don't know why it always does this. It always pushes these out for some reason. I don't know why. How I just turned it while popping a wheelie? Don't ask me. Oh, yeah, forgot. When I back up, I gotta be in 4. My bike don't like backing up in 2-wheel drive. We're gonna do it one more time in 2-wheel drive wheelie in 2nd gear, and then that's probably gonna be wraps for this video. Oh, okay. Shift this bad boy back into 2-wheel drive. 1st gear. You gotta give it a second to catch. But once it catches, it comes up. Comes right up. One thing I don't like about 2-wheel drive, bro, they just want to go where it wants to go. I should be having a new build coming soon. It's a 250 Recon. I'm gonna be doing a Twisted T type build on it. There we go. Go around one more time, see if I can pop a wheelie and turn like I just did just a minute ago. Put this bad boy in 4 real quick. It's gonna be a longer video than normal because I actually have a lot to post. And it's actually good rides, you know, so. Catch y'all later.